Say, Rafiki, that was pretty nifty.
Oh, thank you. Still a little rhythm left in this old baboon. Get a load of the monkey getting all existential on us. Anyway, another one of the most famous animals in the Pride Lands is the world's largest land mammal, the elephant. Elephants are the world's greatest creation. And you know, the females live in big herds led by the oldest female.
Boy, I should love to see elephants on parade.
I think I'm clumsy because of my great size. But when you see how fast I move, you won't believe your eyes. I really am quite graceful for such a hefty hunk. And I can travel anywhere. I've always got my trunk. And now we're marching to the music. We're elephants on parade. We'd love to have you join us. No need to be afraid. To the marching beat of elephants on parade. I swing my trunk from side to side and almost brush my toes. Then raise it high into the sky to show the world my nose. I flap my ears like two big fans to keep real cool all day. And trumpet like a big brass band, that's the way I play. And now we're marching to the music. We're elephants on parade. We'd love to have you join us. No need to be afraid. If you watch them crossing, you're sure to make the grade. Move your feet to the marching beat of elephants on parade.
Now it's your turn to be an elephant. Just do everything Timon does.
Swing your trunk from side to side and almost brush your toes. Now raise it high into the sky and show the world your nose. Flap your ears like two big fans to keep real cool all day. And trumpet like a big brass band. That's the way we play. And now we're marching to the music. We're elephants on parade. We'd love to have you join us. No need to be afraid. If you watch them crossing, you're sure to make the grade. Move your feet to the marching beat of elephants on